Good morning. Here's your severe weather, or in this case, flash flooding update recorded at 7 a.m. this morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Keller. Here's the overall picture, and the rain, at least temporarily this morning, has shifted south with lots of issues right along the extreme southern border of Missouri and into northern Arkansas. It all started with Hollister this morning when about 6.5+ inches of rain fell at the airport. Which is south of Hollister, but the Turkey Creek runs north, so that all ran into Hollister. So they've had flash flooding concerns in that area. I'll stop the loop here. So that's right there with those problems going on. And it's continuing, of course. This is here's the latest radar, and you can clearly see that it's raining moderately there now. It's slated to possibly rain a little heavier as this activity slides generally sort of east, but this stuff morphs a little bit and moves, but it's a steady rain they're going to expect over the next couple hours at least, maybe not as intense as the overnight rain, which was just over 6 inches in about a 2-hour period. But yeah, pretty bad for those areas. Now let's just kind of continue to take a tour. We have, of course, Highway Route J closed and flooded. That's in Taney County, southeast of Hollister. Around Stone County, about 5 inches of rain has fallen southeast of Lampe. We have another broadcast media report of 5 inches relayed there, right around Eagle Rock, estimated there. And then we have the situation occurring now around Seligman. Highway 37 is closed and flooded. And I'll get back to this in a minute, but at the Roaring River State Park, the river crest is very, very high. Now here's the entire enchilada, as they say. You can see the flash flood warnings are in effect in the areas outlined in green. These areas right here. And the rain, again, put the loop on. It continues to kind of swell. Kind of east, but the entire band is lifting northeast. So those areas that got the heaviest rains the last couple of days northeast of Springfield are certainly not out of the woods with this. I don't see any mechanism that would dissipate that rain necessarily. And in fact, it's starting to gain force there along Highway 60 around Mountain Grove. Other areas of pretty heavy rain northwest of Springfield there in Dade County around Greenfield. And just expanding the entire picture, look at this cyclone that has developed in the rain, which is very commonly occurring in these convective systems. There's an actual rotation that you can see in the rain pattern. Very amazing. And that's basically headed toward us. I'll put that in motion so you can see that swirl there right over Wichita right now. So lots of moisture, lots of rain. Let me go ahead and talk about the river gauge there in Roaring River. And this is as of, I believe this is going to be a 6:30 report, 9.37 inches. And of course, that's more than double the action figure of 4 feet. Make that 9.37 feet, more than double the 4-foot action area there, and the campground is flooded, certainly. I'll have another report probably in about an hour, and more instantaneous reports along Twitter and Facebook throughout the morning and afternoon as it becomes necessary.